Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. Whether you think you can, or you think you can rewrite. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Vision without execution is just hallucination. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. There are 3 things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. There is no disgrace in honest failure. There is disgrace in fearing to fail. Everything comes to him who hustles while he waits. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Money doesn't make us anyway, it just unmasks us. Genius is seldom recognized for what it is, a great capacity for hard work. Givers have to set limits because takers rarely do. The way to learn to do things is to do things. The way to learn a trade is to work at it. Success teaches how to succeed. Begin with the determination to succeed, and the work is half done already. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say definitely what is and what is not possible. We try to pay a man what he is worth, and we are not inclined to keep a man who is not worth more than the minimum wage. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible.